look okay?
You look good. Straight your shirt in the back.
Good. Alright. I'm about to start this video. YouTube, what's going on? I am the almighty Wolf Soul Kicks 14. Welcome back to my channel. Quick video with an on foot, just as brief. I know you guys seen 100 Hyper Royal 13 vids. This is gonna be 101. So without being too pedantic, without being too loquacious, let's get right into the action. Pick these up at DTLR. I did the toy drive thing. So if you want a pair of Air Jordan 13 Hyper Royals, you give a toy. It has to be at least $10 worth, and then you come and pick your shoes up by 6 p.m. So get right into it. Hopefully you guys can see the box. Air Jordan 13 and the Hyper Royal. If not, I'll come back and make another edit for that. Black Hyper Royal, black and white, size 14. And boom. Retail was $190, blah blah blah. Just wanted to make sure to get a good reaction from these. I can't see if these are doing the 3M on camera, but I hope they are. That'll be dope. First glance, these are pretty dope. The blue is not as rich as you see on YouTube. It may be a lot richer on the camera. The tongue appears to be a very soft, I don't want to say suede. I guess it's a more coarse suede. The only shoe I can really compare it to is the shoe that I wore today to go pick them up in, which is my custom Air Jordan 13. These are the atmosphere grays, but I customized them to be the Nipsey Hussle / Victory Lap / the Marathon Continues Air Jordan 13s. I'll put a link for you guys to check out that custom video. So far, let's see. The suede on the 13s. I mean, it's the atmosphere grays got them beat there on first feel, first touch. And like I said, I wore these today. These are size 13, but they fit just as good as size 14. Hologram, mesh material. Yes, this is the second Hyper Royal Air Jordan 13 that has been released within the past year and a half or so. The other version was a white leather upper with the Hyper Royal suede and nubuck at the midsole. Sometimes I get pairs from DTLR that have like very minor flaws, like glue stains and things like that. So the first thing I did after I bought the shoe was check for flaws. This is a pretty decent pair. I didn't see anything that was extremely flawed. It's just the bigger the shoe, it seems like they seem to miss the mark every once in a while on certain shoes, especially on Air Jordan 12s and Air Jordan 1s. Those tend to have the worst flaws when it comes to a size 14. Got your hologram. As if you guys have never seen an Air Jordan 13 before. I honestly just wanted to document that I have the Air Jordan 13 in this particular colorway. Yes, they do remind me of the ones that have the iconic varsity red in place of where the blue is, which I don't own a pair, but I do have another shoe that is very close to it, and one day I'll do a video on that. I may not. Overall dope shoe. So let's check out the other shoe. This is the left shoe. Now we're gonna check out the right shoe. We always do quality control where they come from StockX, they come from the store. Carbon fiber shank plate. It's almost like a university blue here, faintly, but so I'm actually looking as you guys are looking. Not bad, not bad at all. In fact, I'll come behind the camera and see if we can get some closer shots, and then we're gonna go and do a quick, brief zoom flyby on foot. And then we're gonna wrap this up. All right, un momento. Shout out to DTLR/Villa. I believe this purchase finally got me to 500 points, so I should be looking forward to a $20 discount the next time I come in there and buy something. But let's get back to the shoes. All right. On camera, I mean, these look awesome. I can't even cap to you. And I will likely be wearing these very soon. If this weather will stay cold just right, I'm definitely gonna be wearing these soon. I love it. For those who like sounds. You weirdos. Let's look at the other shoe. Fact. Let me turn the lights on. Make sure the lights is on when it comes to Air Jordan 13s that have the 3M reflective material on them. God, that's awesome. Make sure I give the other shoe some love. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Back to the left shoe. Man. And I have two pair of Flints, and I'm not gonna break them out because it's not really necessary. I've seen videos where people are complaining about the leather quality at the toe. Fam, it's an Air Jordan 13. These are supposed to be built like tanks. You saw all the damage that Mike Jordan would do to people in these. Come on, man. You already know what time it is. You want this buttery, soft. You guys bitch and moan about anything, man. Check out the hologram. Man, that's where it's at, G. Yes, sir. All right. Now that we're done with this, now we're going to do it on foot. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this Christmas holiday sneaker drop. If you like them, you hate them, doesn't matter because I got them and I'm gonna wear them. But yes, sir. Catch y'all later. Peace.